Jury from outside of Shelby County will decide the fate of 3 of the 5 former Memphis police officers who are charged in the beating death of Tyre Nichols. A judge making that decision today, granting that request. Action News 5's Bria Bolden was in the courtroom. She is live now downtown with more details. Bria, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, Joyce. Good evening, Joy. You know, once that jury gets here to Shelby County, they will be sequestered, meaning they will not be allowed to leave Memphis until the trial is over. Now, today, in what could be the last hearing before the state trial in April, Tadarius Bean, Justin Smith, and Demetrius Haley and their attorneys, along with prosecutors, met to discuss motions. All face second-degree murder charges in the beating of Tyre Nichols in January 2023. Nichols died days later in the hospital. Emmett Martin III's trial was severed from the 3, and Desmond Mills took a plea deal with plans to testify for the state. Friday, Judge James Jones granted a change of venue, meaning the jury will not come from Shelby County. Deputy District Attorney Paul Hagerman explains why.
If the judge were to announce where he was going, well, all of a sudden there's a storm of pretrial publicity, and we're going to be talking about, a different jurisdiction. And so we're trying to, ensure everybody's right to a fair jury.
So Hagerman expects the trial to last at least a couple of weeks and says they want justice for Nichols and his family. The trial is set to begin April 28th. If convicted, those 3 officers who will be on trial, former officers who will be on trial, could face time in prison. Reporting live from 201 Poplar, Bria Bolden, Action News 5.